In this video, I will show you how to add a Calendly booking link in Gamma AI. Let's get started. First, I'll go to my Calendly dashboard and find the meeting type I want to share. I'll click Copy Link to save it to my clipboard. Now I'll head over to my Gamma workspace and open the presentation I'm working on. Once the project loads, I'll scroll down to the bottom to find the right spot for my booking block. I'll click the plus icon to add a new card to the presentation. From the menu on the right, I'll select the Embed Apps and Web Pages tool. I'm going to choose the Web Page or App option and drag it directly onto the new card. Now I'll click into the URL field and paste the Calendly link I copied earlier, then click Go. You can see the booking page preview load right away. I'll scroll through the Edit Preview settings to check the title and layout. Once I'm satisfied, I'll close the side panel and adjust the block size so it fits perfectly on the slide. If I want to change how it looks, I can click the link settings at the top. This allows me to toggle between a button, a simple link, or a full embed. I'll keep it as an embed so viewers can see the calendar immediately. Finally, I'll test the scroll within the block to make sure everything is working smoothly. And there you have it. That's the complete process of adding a Calendly booking link in Gamma AI.